So perform in theory part. Perform statement, textbook only. So for textbook point only. In this perform statement, actually we have two syntaxes, two types actually. Two types here. One is called the inline perform. Not so famous. Sometimes we see them. The other one what we have is the outline perform. Inline perform and outline perform are the two types. Most commonly used is this one. We use this always. Sometimes, very rare cases, you will be seeing the inline perform as well. So only textbook training here, let me cover that. The inline perform, the logical statements, like you have statement 2, 3, 4 here, are coded within the perform and end perform syntax. In your inline perform, the logic will be residing within the perform statement only. So the syntax will look like this. You have statement 1, perform, statement 2, statement 3, and statement 4. And then you have end perform. So if the statements of logic is coded between perform and end perform, then we call this as the inline syntax. Quite opposite is your outline syntax. Quite opposite is your outline perform here. In this case, the logical statements of your program, like statement 2, 3, 4 here, are coded in a paragraph or in a para and executed through perform statement. Executed to the perform statement. In this case, what happens is the syntax will have like this. You'll be having statement 1, control go to perform X paragraph, and the control will come with here. So in this X paragraph, you'll be having your logical statement of 2, 3, and 4. So if the logic is residing between perform and end perform, then we call this as inline syntax. If your logic is separately coded in a paragraph and passing the control using this perform, we call this as outline perform. You got the difference?
Yes.
The key difference that you need to remember here is the logic, what we have written in statement 2, 3, 4 is non-reusable, is or cannot be reused. Why? It is part of a statement. If I need the same code anywhere in the program, again I need to type it. Whereas in this case, the logic which we have written in a paragraph, statement 2, 3, 4, right? In a para we have written, right? Can be executed again from anywhere of the program. I can use this outline perform here and tell the system to execute this para. Maybe after some statement 10 here, I can use again the same logic one more time, right?
Right.
This
Yes.
is what the reuse concept, reusable concept we say here. Within the program, same logic I need multiple times. Okay, same in the program, within the program, not in the program. Within the program, I need same logic to execute multiple times from different paras. Such cases, this outline perform is very suitable. Example is you're abandoning the program. Within the
Right. Yes.
program, you'll start first opening the file. If the file is not open, you'll abandon. Second, within the program, after opening the file, when you're reading the record, when you're validating the data, if the data is missing, then you'll abandon. And if the data is there and you're processing during some calculation or condition, if it is not matching the business criteria, then also you'll abandon. Sometimes when you're running any DB2 queries or anything, somewhere also if there is a mistake when the queries are not running, then also you'll abandon. Now in my program, I need the same append logic multiple times. So what is my best option is put that logical statements in a paragraph, use the outline perform syntax in wherever you need. That's what
Time.
the benefit of outline perform.
Yes.
Inline perform has no such benefit, only one time, one place usage. Project point, developer can choose anything. His requirement we don't know, right? When I'm seeing
Right.
existing project program, I will see lot of outline perform, excellent. Sometimes I'll come across inline perform as well. Now I will not scold the developer why you have written inline, you should have used outline. What we see that developer want this logic only in one place. Same logic, he doesn't need any other place. Got it?
Right. Yes.
Out of 100 programs, all 100 programs use outline perform only. Out of the same 100 programs, 1 or 2 programs may be seeing your inline perform. I know both. Let them code whatever they want. I will analyze as it is, right? If I have to code, my criteria will be always outline perform because I can use it only one time. I can use it for many times as well, right? So our practice is always outline perform. Somebody already coded an inline perform. We don't scold them. We just analyze that program and skip away. Got it?
Yeah. Yes.